The world is changing, fast, and in times of uncertainty, one asset is shining brighter than ever: gold. But this isn't the usual crisis-driven spike. This is something much bigger. A global shift that could keep gold and silver rising for the next 2 to 3 years. For decades, investors treated gold and silver as safe havens, assets you run to when things go wrong. But today, they're becoming strategic, long-term plays. Even if the Russia-Ukraine conflict ends, even if US-China relations improve, the forces pushing gold upward are structural, global, and long-lasting. In the past, gold surged during war and fell when peace returned. But this time, even a calmer geopolitical stage won't stop the rally. Because the world has already changed, global trust has eroded. Countries are moving away from the US dollar. Supply chains have permanently realigned. We're not returning to the old financial order. We're entering a multipolar world where gold is not just crisis insurance, it's a strategic reserve. Here's one of the strongest drivers of all. Central banks are buying gold at record levels, from China and India to Turkey and the Middle East. Nations are reducing their dollar reserves and increasing gold holdings. Why? Fear of US sanctions, rising geopolitical tensions. A US debt load now over $34 trillion concerns about long-term dollar depreciation. This buying pressure removes massive amounts of gold from the market and builds a powerful price floor. Many countries are increasingly uneasy with US economic and foreign policy. The reasons are stacking up: the US debt bomb. With debt soaring past $34 trillion, the world questions how long the US can sustain its financial dominance. Persistent inflation. Even when inflation cools on paper, real-world costs in energy and housing keep rising. De-dollarization. Countries are signing local currency trade deals, creating new payment systems, and shifting reserves into gold. The rise of stablecoins and digital currencies. New financial technologies reduce reliance on the dollar-based system. All of this strengthens one asset that doesn't rely on trust in any government: gold. And then there's silver, gold's quieter but equally powerful partner. Silver's demand is exploding because it's essential for solar panels, electric vehicles, batteries, 5G networks, semiconductor production. This isn't a short-term rush, it's a global transformation. Driving forces include deglobalization, a shifting geopolitical power balance, reserve diversification away from the US dollar, industrial expansion, requiring more silver, historic central bank gold accumulation, ongoing inflation, declining confidence in US fiscal sustainability. We're entering a new era, one where gold and silver are not optional hedges. They are essential anchors of financial stability. Even if global tensions cool, the deeper economic forces will keep precious metals in a powerful upswing. Gold's long-term glow isn't fading, it's intensifying.
Magi Metals.